In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google account using Proton Mail. If you want to use Google services without creating a new Gmail address, this setup is a great option. Google lets you register with an existing email address, including a Proton Mail address, so you can sign in to services like YouTube, Google Drive, and Google Docs while keeping your main email with Proton. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Google account sign-up page at accounts.google.com. Once the page loads, look for the Create Account option and choose the Personal Use option. On the account creation screen, enter your first name and last name, then continue to the next page. After that, fill in your basic profile details, including your date of birth and gender, and click Next. At this stage, Google may try to guide you into creating a new Gmail address. This is the part where many people miss the alternative option, so pay close attention. On the screen where Google asks how you'll sign in or suggests a Gmail address, do not select any of the suggested Gmail usernames. Instead, click the link that says use your existing email address or use my current email address instead. Once you do that, the Gmail ending disappears and a regular email field becomes available. Enter your active Proton Mail address and continue. Next, create your Google account password. Type a strong password that is different from your Proton Mail password. This is very important for security. Using separate passwords helps protect your accounts if one service is ever compromised. Re-enter the password to confirm it, then click Next. Google will now send a verification code to your Proton Mail inbox. Open a new browser tab or use the Proton Mail app and sign in to your inbox. Look for a new message from Google with the subject line asking you to verify your email address. Open that message and find the 6-digit verification code. Then go back to the Google Sign Up tab, enter the code exactly as shown, and continue. In some cases, Google may also ask for a mobile number to complete an additional security check. If that happens, select your country code, enter your number, and then type in the SMS code you received. To finish, review the final account setup and privacy screens. If Google asks about using your phone number in other settings, read those options carefully. Then scroll to the bottom of the privacy and terms section and click I agree. After that, Google should take you to your account dashboard. Open the personal info section and check the contact info area to confirm that your Proton Mail address is listed as your primary email for the account. If everything looks correct and no unwanted Gmail address was added, your Google account is ready to use.